Ciao beautiful people, ciao bellissimi, and welcome to my channel Learn Italian with Amina. So in today's video I'm going to explain just like a single color. I took the example of rosso, red in Italian, can actually be placed in a sentence, okay, so that it goes accordingly to the gender and the number of a word of a noun, okay. And rosso has different endings. We have rosso singular masculine, rossa feminine singular, rosse plural feminine, and rossi plural masculine.
Right, let's not waste time.
Colors. I want to start by saying, guys, that I really totally understand that, you know, the colors that in Italian are not really easy as it seems. It's not like you learn how to say the color and then magically you know how to use them in a sentence. I know it's pretty tough. I know, I understand. That's why I'm here, to help you out. And I would like to show you that the color rosso, okay, is singular and masculine, rosso. So you are gonna use rosso only with nouns that are actually respecting the singular and masculine. So there should be like a line. For example, rosso goes with nouns like rossetto, for example, my lipstick. Il mio rossetto è rosso. Why? Because rosso is related to rossetto, and rossetto, lipstick, is a noun which is singular and masculine. So you will say rosso. But what if you're talking about a feminine noun, singular, like rossa, okay? So the example would be, as I shown here below, la macchina. I don't know if you can see, guys. Sorry. La macchina è rossa. The car is red. Why? Because macchina in Italian is a feminine singular noun. So it would be rossa, not la macchina è rosso, la macchina è rossa. And how would you say the cars are red? Le macchine sono rosse. The cars are red. Why macchine with rosse? Because macchine is a feminine plural. It means cars. And rosse goes accordingly to the noun. So a ending, all right? That's the easiest way to remember that. And how do you say the flowers are red? Now, flowers in Italian is called fiori, okay? Fiori. Sono means are, and rossi means red. So fiori ends by a plural I. So accordingly, rosso becomes rossi, okay? So I fiori sono rossi. The flowers are red. Please comment down below if you have any doubts, guys. I'm here for you to help you, okay? Guys, I hope you enjoyed this small video, and please subscribe, like this video, and share with anyone who is actually learning Italian, including yourself. Please let me know if you have any doubts in the comments below, and I will see you soon with the next video and the next lessons. Bye, take care, ciao ciao.